Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best beginner telescope that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I've ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the Celestron NexStar 5SE Computerized Telescope. The Celestron NexStar 5SE Computerized Telescope, our top pick for the best amateur telescope, is a Schmidt-Cassegrain scope, which means it uses both lenses and mirrors in a relatively compact package. This telescope has a primary 5-inch mirror, big enough for a light gathering capacity that yields crisp images of some of the best objects in the solar system, from Saturn's rings to Jupiter's cloud bands. And it provides sufficient power to introduce you to objects in the deep sky. The NexStar 5SE operates on a fully computerized system and gives you a handheld controller to guide it. Instead of fumbling to read star charts and align the telescope manually, with the press of a button you can align and focus your telescope on a myriad of celestial objects. Unlike with some of the NexStar 5SE's competitors, this model's controller worked flawlessly in our tests, offering micro adjustments and responsive tracking with the attached controller system. Weighing 15 pounds, this scope is very portable relative to other options out there, so you should have no problem packing it into a trunk and setting it up on location. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Skywatcher Classic Dobsonian Telescope, 8-inch. The traditional Dobsonian telescope, a type of instrument sometimes referred to as a light bucket, is all about light gathering, and the images we saw through the lens of the Skywatcher Classic Dobsonian Telescope were awe-inspiring. The 8-inch mirror, which captures the light, is significantly larger than that of our top pick. That means you get crisper, clearer images and can see fainter objects that are farther away. The trade-off is that this scope is huge. Loading it into a car or even moving it around a yard is a chore, so it's best suited for folks who have a dedicated space for it at home. At number 3, we have the ZWO Astro Seestar S50 All-in-One Smart Telescope. The ZWO Astro Seestar S50 All-in-One Smart Telescope is a compact, all-in-one telescope and photo rig with an integrated automatic mount, like our top pick. Priced around $500, it's perhaps the cheapest and simplest option if you want to get photos from a telescope. It's easy to carry with you since it weighs just over 7.5 pounds packed in its travel case with its included tripod, and it sets up in minutes. It doesn't provide a great view of mid-range celestial objects such as the solar system's planets and their moons, since its relatively short focal length makes them appear blurry, but it excels at imaging deep sky objects thanks to its automatic photo stacking feature. At number 2, we have the Celestron StarSense Explorer LT80AZ Refractor Telescope. The Celestron StarSense Explorer LT80AZ Refractor telescope comes with a dead simple smartphone app that highlights the evening's most interesting viewing opportunities and shows you how to find them in the sky. This scope is lightweight and portable with an easy-to-position alt-azimuth mount. However, it's a refractor-style telescope with a smaller 3.15-inch aperture, so it's best suited to viewing celestial objects located closer to Earth. And finally, at number 1, we have the Astronomers Without Borders OneSky Reflector Telescope. If you don't want an electronic GPS function, the Astronomers Without Borders OneSky Reflector Telescope offers the most scope for the money. Unlike our top pick, this telescope can't automatically find the specific celestial bodies you seek. One reason you may not want a manual telescope, you have to collimate, align the telescope's mirrors, and if you aren't aware this has to be done, the experience can be tedious or frustrating. With that in mind, some of our experts told us that they preferred, and even advised, learning the ins and outs of astronomy on a manual telescope. So if you're willing to put in the effort, you'll become a smarter stargazer. Like our top pick, this Newtonian-style reflector telescope has a 5-inch mirror, but it's designed to sit on a tabletop rather than on a tripod, so it works best if you have a picnic table or other support to set it on. The mirrors expand and collapse, making this model even more amenable to being stored indoors. With this model, we easily spotted Saturn's rings and Jupiter and its moons. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.